many places will be getting a late boost of sunshine for the final days of meteorological summer. I'll have the full UK forecast in just a few minutes. Yes, certainly for parts of northern England and Scotland, which have had a rather damp and cool week or two, some better news over the next few days or so. And I'm at RHS Garden Harlow Car this evening in Harrogate. Somewhere in the north of England, it's safe to say, has had a rather wet summer so far. In fact, they've seen a bit of a blurring of this. It has announced the storm names for this season. It starts warming climate that severe weather is likely to occur more often and storms will become more frequent. Certainly no problems with storms as we end meteorological summer this weekend. If we take a look at the air mass, we can see little conditions, but there will be some thundery showers elsewhere. Here are the details. The next couple of days giving many of us some lovely warm spells of sunshine. There's a risk of a few showers to come, particularly in the southeast, perhaps during Saturday afternoon. Other than that, light winds and feeling very pleasant as we roll into this weekend. In a bit more detail, we can see on the pressure sequence as we go through into tonight, high pressure beginning to take hold, very settled and quiet conditions across much of the country as we head into tomorrow. But for this evening, still a few showers here and there across the north and west of Scotland, perhaps northern England for a time. These will tend to peter out, and for many places tonight will be dry, clear and a bit chillier than of late, perhaps in rural parts of Scotland getting down to around 1 or 2 degrees. A few mist and fog patches for parts of Northern Ireland and Wales as well as Scotland before tomorrow morning, but generally dry conditions for many of us to start tomorrow. On to the details for tomorrow then. A lovely day for many places. There could be just a few rogue showers around in the far north and west initially, but these will peter out. For much of England, Wales, Northern Ireland, a fine day, and Scotland. Into the afternoon, some lovely spells of sunshine for many of us. And temperatures during the course of the day will gradually rise to around 23, perhaps 24 Celsius in the far southeast during tomorrow afternoon, but feeling very pleasant indeed. Then we head into the weekend, and for many places, Saturday will be a really decent day. Fine, warm, light winds, but we are expecting a few heavy and thundery downpours, chiefly in the southeast of England through Saturday afternoon. Some of these could be pretty heavy with lots of water on the roads.